Hey YouTube, Christian Prepper Gal here, and today I will be cooking up the chicken noodle soup meal in a bag. So why don't you come along? Okay, the first thing we're going to do is open the Mylar bag that has all of our ingredients in it. Now this has a little tab where you can just grab it and pull it open, but those never seem to work for me, so I use the scissors at home. And there we go. That's really tight. We're going to take out the oxygen absorber that we put in. Okay. And I've got 1.5 cups of boiling water here that I boiled in the microwave. So we're just going to pretend that we're out sitting around a campfire. I boiled some water and we're going to make this meal up. Okay, so I'm just going to pour it right directly into the Mylar bag. And then I'm going to take a spoon, stir everything up inside. I can smell it already. And then, just to give you a little peek, if I can, it's kind of hot, but that's what it's looking like right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and seal this shut, and this is one of the reasons I like to use these Mylar bags with the zip seal on them. Seal it shut. I'm going to take my bag koozie and set the bag inside and close it, and then I'm just going to let it sit there for about 15 minutes and let it do its thing and cook, and I'll be back in a flash. And I am back. Okay, so I actually did check this and stir it at about halfway through. And I forgot to tell you that I was going to be doing that. So it's a good idea to do that because then it stirs up and mixes all the spices and everything together. So now I'm going to smell it, and oh my goodness. Oh, you guys. I can't wait for YouTube to develop a sniff and smell, or a scratch and smell on their videos. All right. Looks good. I'm going to see if I can show you that here. The bag is still very hot. I don't know if you can see it and tell any difference, but never fear. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a bowl so you can get a look at it. All right. Yummy. Got it all out. I stir it up. And here we are. Let me get a spoonful here to show you. There you go. Chicken noodle soup meal in a bag. I'll give you a look at the bowl as well here. Try not to spill it. And it is a little liquidy, but you got to remember, it is a soup. And I know from experience, because I tested it a couple times before sharing the recipe with you. So, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to taste this. Can't wait. Those noodles are wanting to hang all over the place. Alright, here goes. It's a little hot still. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is so perfect. All right. It's already thickening up some. It will as it cools. It won't get real thick. I had actually debated on putting more not baking powder, putting more cornstarch in it so that it would thicken up more. And I did that, and I tested it, and it kind of took away some of the flavor. So I just left it a little bit more runny. As I said, it's a soup, and my daughter even told me that. She's like, no, don't make it thicker. I like to drink up the liquid from it when the soup's all gone, or when the ingredients are all gone. So anyway, there you have it. Chicken noodle soup meal in a bag. A great meal for a lunch or dinner or supper, out on the trail, camping, hiking, backpacking, or for your emergency food storage. So I will leave a recipe for this chicken noodle soup in the description box below, or at least a link to the recipe, sorry. And you can go check that out, and you can print it out or download it, whichever you prefer. So that's it for now. I want to thank you for joining me and cooking this soup with me. I'm looking forward to eating it now. Alright, so if you like this video, please click on the like button below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, click on the little bell, and you will receive notifications when I share more videos with you. And that's it for now. So until next time, happy prepping and God bless.